Hello friends, welcome to your very own channel. Today we will be discussing about ICICI Lombard stock. In past few days we are getting back-to-back good news about this ICICI Lombard share, but the price is not moving accordingly. So many of our subscribers are asking me continuously that how to read the chart of ICICI Lombard share and if we could do a proper entry in this stock for long-term investment. I will be answering all those questions in this video with absolute technical and fundamental analysis. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with ICICI Lombard share price analysis. Before we start, please read the disclaimer, it is very important. Welcome back to the video friends. Right now we are in the technical chart of ICICI Lombard share and I have taken a daily time frame chart. But as you know, for medium and long-term investment, it is absolutely necessary to do the fundamental analysis along with the technical analysis. So to see the proper fundamentals of this stock, we will right now go to screener.in. Friends, right now we have come to the website screener.in and we are in the fundamentals page of ICICI Lombard share. If we see the book value, the current book value of this share is around 171 rupees and the current market price which is running is at 1628 rupees. So if I calculate the current market price to book value ratio, it is coming around 9.5x, which is considered a little bit expensive. But if we see the ROCE of ICICI Lombard share, it is running around 26.9%, which is nearly double of our threshold value, that is 15%. So I can mark it as excellent. And the ROE of this stock is running around 21.7%, which is also way above 15%. So I can mark this also as excellent. The face value of ICICI Lombard share is 10 rupees right now. So it have never been splitted, which is a positive point. And also this company is providing a good amount of or healthy amount of dividend to its shareholder time by time. But still we have some little bit concern about the stock P, which is running around 60.4, which is way above 30 mark. So as per stock P also, this stock is considered as little bit expensive. But friends, looking into the figure of ROC, ROE and the face value which is currently intact and the consistent dividend payout, we may consider this little bit higher stock P and this higher premium price is justified. So friends, with these basic fundamentals, we can see that even if the stock price is running little bit expensive, it is having the potential to become double or triple in near future. So I can mark these fundamentals as positive. But friends, we will dig down more into the fundamental and right now we will be going to the profit and loss statement. So friends, we are in the profit and loss statement of ICICI Lombard share and if we start looking into the profit and loss statement from year 2018, you may see that the sales and the operating profit both have grown significantly on year basis. So friends, this is a very positive point for both sales and operating profit. I am not considering the TTM because it is merely an estimate. But as per the last announcement, the company is running in excellent profit and the profit is growing year basis. You may see the same thing in EPS. The EPS have grown significantly in last 4 years. And it have increased on year basis. So friends, the profit and loss statement is showing us some strength in medium term and long term. But as a final verification, we will also verify the balance sheet of this stock. Right now we are at the balance sheet of ICICI Lombard share. And if I see the cash reserve has increased year basis, which is a positive thing. But if I see the borrowings has not increased in this last 4 years, which is also a very positive thing. As this is an insurance company, I will not look into the fixed asset as majority of the insurance companies are doing majority of their work online. They don't require many offices and they don't require any kind of plant or manufacturing plant. So I am ignoring the fixed asset part. So friends, the balance sheet is also showing us some strength in long term. But before I take you to the technical chart of ICICI Lombard share, I want to show you two major positive news which have the capability of affecting the stock price in future. The first news which have come around September 13, 2021 is that Bharti AXA General Insurance sale to ICICI Lombard completed. That means Bharti AXA General Insurance have sold some of its business to ICICI Lombard, which is actually a positive thing. Because with this merger, ICICI Lombard will gain access to a larger market and it will have an increased user base. So friends, this is a positive news. And now we'll go to the second news. The second news is that ICRA assigns AAA stable rating. This news is also related to the previous news. After the merger of the business or partial business of Bharti AXA General Insurance with ICICI Lombard, ICRA have assigned a AAA or stable rating to ICICI Lombard, which is also a very positive news for this company. So as per the total fundamental analysis, this company is showing some really good promise in medium or long term. So friends, right now we'll go to the technical chart of ICICI Lombard share and try to find a suitable entry point for medium or long term investment. So friends, right now we are in the technical chart of ICICI Lombard share and I have taken a daily time frame chart. If I draw all my studies over here, then the chart may look like this. And I will try to explain you all the drawings and levels of this chart. So friends, as you can see that after the news hit the market, the price have not moved so much and the price have been in a range. So we can assume that we still have some time to make our decision and make an entry in this stock in a suitable position. And you can also see that I have drawn a channel over here, these two channel lines. And the price of this stock is running within this channel since last few months. It is not breaking out or not breaking down. But as we have seen in the fundamental analysis, we are not expecting the price to break down. We are expecting the price to break out. So if I talk about the entry point, there may be two methods for entry. The first method is that the price may break out our breakout level or this upper blue level, which is at 1655. And if the share price breaks out this level with high volume, then we may try to create a position around this breakout level, which is 1655 rupees. But friends, remind that the breakout should happen with high volume and the stock price is having a good chance of breaking out this level within few weeks. Because if you do price volume analysis of this stock for last few months, then you may see that there are more and more green higher volumes and there is only one red higher volume. So it is another indication that the price may break out our breakout level within next few weeks. But friends, there is another entry method that we can use. As we can see, the price is running within this range since past few months. It is quite possible that the price will fall down to the lower edge of this channel and try to build a support in the lower wick or in the lower line of this channel. In that case, our bounce level will act as our entry point. If we see the price is falling and price have fallen to this lower edge or in the lower channel and it is trying to build a support near our bounce level, that is 1470, then we may try to build our position near this point or near 1470 and expect the price to break out. And as we are investing in this stock in long term, we will not have any definite target. In long term, the companies have a potential to make its stock price double or triple. So we'll take or we'll keep our target as open target. But if we are trying to invest in medium term, then for a partial profit booking, this 1900 level can be used. But as per the fundamental strength, it is having a 85% chance of hitting 1900 level in medium term. So if we are interested in booking partial profit or booking the profit in medium term, we may use this level. So friends, if you like the content of this video, then like this video in YouTube, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you get instant notification about our upcoming videos. Also, if you need any kind of guidance in live market, you may join our Telegram channel and post your question and queries in the discussion board. We'll try to answer your question and queries as soon as possible. This is absolutely free service. There is no charges for this service. You will find our Telegram channel link below this video and in the description of this video. So friends, that's all for today's video. We'll surely meet in our next educational video.